Okay, and we've begun the live. Wow. Okay, so hi everyone, I am back over here, and yes, like I said, I would be back, of course, because obviously I had to be back. But yes, I hope you guys like the surprise, which I turned up like half an hour or 1 hour ago. That was showing you the kind of experience that I was having all this while throughout the month. And yes, so here I am. And to start with, I wish each and everyone out there a very, very, very happy new year. And I hope this 2025 turns out to be the year that you guys deserve, that we all deserve. And that is full of happiness and love and success, of course. Yes, on that note, also today being Sankranti, happy Makar Sankranti. And Tilgur Gya, Gud Gud Bola. There's a saying that we have in Marathi that you eat sweets, and through that you will start speaking sweetly to everyone. So that is how it is. But yes, apart from that, right now, what am I up to? I am going to Chicago. And why, I can't tell you that. But yes, I'm going to another city called Chicago. And I live in Detroit, that is Michigan. Yes. Apart from that, of course, happy Lohri to all the North Indians. That is, of course, me being in Mumbai, so you guys are North Indians for me. So yeah, all the Punjabis out there, happy Lohri. Yes. Where am I right now? I am right now in Michigan, Detroit. As you can see, it's freezing cold out here. तो या बहुत बर्फ़ पड़ रही है यहाँ पर और बहुत ठंड है यहाँ पर और मज़ा आ रहा है. Am I shooting something over here? No, I am on a vacation. I have been here since I would say December 5th, and I've been here and I keep visiting this place every year, once a year. So yeah, this was the time I felt that I should rather spend my New Year's and Christmas over here. So that's why I was over here. Yeah. So what else? So you guys want to ask me any sort of questions, please go ahead, because it's been quite some time that I haven't been live on Instagram, and I'm sorry to stay out of touch. ये मेरी आदत है एक्चुअली कि मैं एक टाइम पर मैं बहुत कुछ सोशल मीडिया पे एक्टिव हो जाता हूँ और फिर एक ऐसा वक्त आता है कि मैं बिल्कुल अपने आप को मतलब अवे रखता हूँ, अपने आप को दूर रखता हूँ सोशल मीडिया से. आई डोंट इंडल्ज माई सेल्फ इन टॉकिंग टू एनी वन, बट दैट्स हाउ आई एम. आई एम अ वेरी रिजर्व्ड और अ शाय काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन, यू मस्ट बी नोइंग बाय नाउ. यस, सो देखते हैं क्या क्या सवाल अभी क्या पूछे जाएंगे. KYY कैसी है यार, यार सीजन 6 कब? अरे बस करो यार, बहुत हो गया यार. How much have we explored that season and how much have we done back then? In 10 years we worked so hard, me and Meeti and everyone out there, and the writers of course, and we've pulled amazing characters for the show, and we've pulled amazing stories, got you good content. But now I don't think there is anything left to explore. If you guys have anything that you would like to see us exploring regarding any sort of story that we need to still hit in Kaisi Hai Yaariyan, so please don't tell me, tell the writers. Of course, you know the writer being Richa Yamini, and of course Jio for that matter. It's on Jio Studios. So yeah, if you guys haven't watched Kaisi Hai Yaariyan, my beloved show, please watch the show, season 1 to season 5. That is on Jio Studios, and you can watch it. Hi Hemant, kaisa hai baba?
Watch out, vehicle on shoulder ahead.
All good. I shall see you soon. Yes. So apart from Kaisi Hai Yaariyan, what sort of questions you would like to ask me? Manik Malhotra, we miss you. Thank you so much, yaar. Thank you. It's been very a dear character to me, and of course, some characters live and they leave that mark on you throughout your life, and which you will always cherish. So yes, that's one of the characters that I'll always cherish my life. and now as an artist, of course, I want to explore different characters. Okay. Any project with Erica? No, yaar, currently. Sorry guys, witnessing a lot of bad network because I'm traveling in the car. यार यहाँ की सड़कें भी कितनी चौड़ी होती है यार. हमारा मतलब अनलाइक इंडिया, यू नो इट हाउ इट इज़. गड्ढों से भरा शहर होता है. शहर में गड्ढे नहीं होते, गड्ढों में शहर होता है. स्पेशली मुंबई. तो या any new project in the pipeline? Yes, I'm sure you guys must be wanting to know. So I can't reveal much over it, but yes, all I can say that right now I need to go back to India, which I'll be visiting. I'll be landing back very soon, and I need to meet up a few directors and of course the producers because the meetings were held up since I was traveling. So I need to get back on that. But yes, hopefully in the month of March, I would say that I'll start shooting. What exactly, I can only say that it can be a film because, and also it can be a web show because there are like 2-3 things: a web show, a film, and another film, and another web show. And yes, so all this will take place and it starts from March. So mota mota abhi to filhal I am like, you could say, a vacation mode, but yes, I'm enjoying my bit and I'm heading back to India. I'm coming back to India very soon, hopefully this week itself. Yes, hopefully क्या आ ही रहा हूँ. तो यस, बर्थडे प्लान्स यार, अभी बहुत टाइम है अभी बर्थडे के लिए. एक्चुअली 2 महीना है, तो अभी तो फिलहाल I don't know, I don't want to plan so much. I just want to go with the flow. Yeah. Apart from that, okay, hi Kavya, there I took your name. Okay, what about season 2 of मैं हीरो बोल रहा हूँ यार. I don't know what's, you'll have to contact the creators and the writers and the and the production house for that. But yes, it is a very good show that I've loved and I've worked really hard for that, playing the character of a gangster from the 90s. So yeah, I really enjoyed working on that show. Gia, what are your plans for next month? Well, next month being February, I don't have much plans. Being obviously Valentine's Day, I'm sure I will come up with something, some new project, some music video or something. But as of now, though, I don't have anything. Oh yes, I see a lot of cars being parked over here. I hope it's not a major accident though. Okay, what else? What questions? Please take my name. Anshika, there I took your name. Hi. Can we expect a Valentine surprise? Of course, you can expect, and I will make sure that I try to deliver. So yeah. Hi Manaswa, hi. Music video please. Yes, Lalin, thank you so much. Today is my birthday. Karishu, a very, very, very happy birthday to you. Yeah, have a good one. Please, let's do something good. Yes, absolutely. I'm waiting and I'm raring to go because, of course, 2024 was bit of a mixture of both. Obviously, I wanted to share it with you guys how 2024 has been with me. My first film released, as you guys must be aware of it, Gudchadi. And if you don't know, yes, my first film released, it's on Geo Studios called Gudchadi. And of course, I had a fabulous time shooting for it. And it was obviously one of the most memorable and cherishable moments of my life to start with. And yeah, apart from that, I was busy hustling and having meetings here and there, photo shoots, traveling. So yeah, I enjoyed the entire year, and I look forward for 2025 for being I would say, touchwood, I hope that it turns out to be really good, and whatever I've planned in the first quarter, that is like, I would say not the quarter but first half of the year, that was first 6 months, I hope that it turns out the way I have planned, which is like a couple of web shows. Yes, you might as well get to see me, I don't know, on TV or no. Yeah, fingers crossed. Let's see. You might get to see me on television or no, I don't know, but that you will get to know in a couple of months though, very soon. So yeah, please take my name on it. Hi Manasa, hi Manasa. Big from Kaskanch. Hi Kavya, hi. There I took your name. Kruti, hi. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hi Kristi, please take fan page name. Shanti, please. Yes, there I took your name. आज सुबह पता नहीं किसका चेहरा देखा था कि आपको इतनी बार देखने को मिला. So sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you. मौर्या कैसा है मेरे भाई? Very happy new year to you. And yes. Thank you. And again, coming back to Sankranti, yes, it's a very special occasion for all people out here, of course, especially in central and southern Maharashtra, and of course southern India. So yes, it's a very auspicious occasion, and I'm sorry, I'm not aware of what we do exactly on that, but yes, all I know is बचपन में हमें sweets मिलते थे और हम उसके साथ उसे share करते थे between our families and friends with a saying called तिलगुड़ घ्या गोड़ गोड़ बोला, which means that have sweets so that you could speak sweetly. Not that we speak rudely, but yes, it will help you to speak nicely. एक होता है ना बोलने में एक मिठास होनी चाहिए, तो वो होता है. Yes. Thank you Kashmira, thank you so much. Hi Vaishu, thank you. Would love to see you in Khatro. Yes, Khatro is one of the shows that I really wanted to do last year, so you never know that I could get back on that this year. But yeah, stay tuned for that. All I could say is stay tuned. Yes. Happy journey. Thank you Kavya, thank you so much. People wondering where I am again. इतने बड़े ट्रक्स होते हैं यार यहाँ पर. Yes, so people wondering where I am right now. I am in Michigan, Detroit, and I'm heading to Chicago. Yes, so ये बीच का जो सफ़र है, it's like पुणे मुंबई, you know, वो 3.5 घंटे का जो ड्राइव होता है, तो उतनी दूरी पर है. एंड आई टेल यू अ फन फैक्ट कि ये शहर सिर्फ 3.5 घंटे की दूरी पर है, लेकिन इन दोनों शहरों के बीच लिटरली 1 घंटे का गैप है. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर मिशिगन में 9 बज रहे हैं तो शिकागो में 8 बज रहे होंगे. कैन यू बिलीव इट? आई मीन इट्स जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ 4 hours बिटवीन द सिटीज़. आई मीन कार ड्राइव, बट 1 घंटे के पीछे हो जाते हैं शिकागो. सो या दैट्स हाउ बिग this United States of America is. और गौरव कैसा है मेरे भाई? I will see you in Pune very soon, and hopefully if you come to Mumbai, of course I will see you over there. Hi Amrita, thank you. Hi Amrita. Yes, hi Jinu. Hi Tamanna. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you Asni. Thank you. Would you like to do another music video with Neeti? Well, yes, of course. I wanted to ask you guys, how did you enjoy the music video with Neeti? Of course, because it's been quite some time that we were actually wanting to work together. If not Yaria, then something else. And music video, I think, was one of the most interesting projects that we did. And I hope you guys liked the music video, because we really enjoyed shooting for it in Dubai. And yes, why not? If opportunities arise, we would definitely do another music video together. Apart from that, any questions? Have you ever visited Canada? Yeah, to be honest, I wanted to visit Canada this time, but it was difficult regarding visa issues. I'm sure India and Canada are currently having a lot of tensions around, so visa was taking a lot of time. So I hope that next time when I come, I make sure that, in fact, I promise you guys, whoever is watching me from Canada, that I will visit Canada for sure next time, next trip, 100%. Yeah. Love from Tamil Nadu. Thank you so much. Thank you, Srishti Tripathi. Thank you so much. Thank you. In love with Mahia. Thank you. Happy Makar Sankranti. Thank you so much. Thank you. What's your favorite place you have traveled to arrange to travel to? Okay, what's my favorite place to arrange? I would say, अगर भारत में आप मुझसे पूछ रहे हो कि favorite place कौन सी है, तो I would say धर्मशाला और मनाली. I'm sure कि अगर आप लोग गए नहीं हो तो प्लीज़ जाइए. और बहुत ही सुनहरा मौसम है वहाँ पर, और बहुत ठंड होती है, बहुत बर्फ़ होता है. सिमिलर टू what I am, where I am right now. आप देख सकते हैं. हाँ यार, काफ़ी बर्फ़ है यहाँ पर, और आई एम श्योर कि हमारे मुंबई में तो हम इसके करीब भी नहीं है इस वेदर के. वी एक्चुअली क्रेव फॉर इट. सो आई एम श्योर एनीवन वाचिंग मी फ्रॉम मुंबई would actually understand the feeling of this, witnessing the snows and enjoying and experiencing it. I'm sure दिल्ली वालों को काफ़ी इसका एक्सपीरियंस होता है कंसिडरिंग द वेदर एंड ऑल. ऑफ कोर्स स्नो नहीं होता बट कभी कभार होता है लकीली. बट अगर नहीं होता तो आई एम श्योर यू गाइज हैव मनाली, यू गाइज हैव आई वुड से धर्मशाला टू विजिट टू, कश्मीर टू विजिट टू. इट्स क्लोजर बाय. आपकी पसंदीदा जगह तो हाँ, मैंने जैसे कि कहा कि अगर आपको ठंड महसूस करनी है तो मैं कहूँगा कि मनाली और धर्मशाला आर वन ऑफ द मोस्ट प्रिटीएस्ट प्लेसेस दैट आई हैव विजिटेड इन इंडिया. It's summers in Mumbai. Yes, yaar, I can't, I don't know, I should say that whether I can't wait to go back to Mumbai or I don't want to go back to Mumbai. But yes, on the contrary, I have to go back to Mumbai. And of course, again, back to all the humidity. But right now, I've heard that the weather is very good over there. So touch wood, I hope I don't feel the contrast between extreme winters to extreme summers. But yes, गर्मी बहुत भाई बहुत बहुत गंदे लेवल पे होती है. मार्च में शुरू होगी मेरे बर्थडे के करीब. बी सेफ. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू अस्तार. थैंक यू Shakti. So you guys want to ask any sort of questions, please go ahead. Yes, will you take my name? Nit Utsinga. There. Thank you so much. There I took your name. Twinkle. Hi Twinkle. Hi Komal. Hi, please take my name. Tanisha. There, I took your name. Tanisha. Hi. Hope you're doing good. Favorite Tamil song? Favorite Tamil song would be our Rowdy Baby. Anytime. I have danced on that song n number of times and I love that song. I love the choreography of it and I love the pairing of it. I love Dhanush. Of course, Sai Pallavi and Prabhu Deva. So I think one of the best choreographed song, I would say. Choreographed song. Yeah. When am I visiting Hyderabad? I don't know यार. अभी तो फिलहाल पता नहीं. But yes, there was a time where Hyderabad was my second home. अभी तो पता नहीं. Let's see. In a month or so, I would visit Hyderabad for sure. Hi from Bangalore. Hi.
Watch out.
Hi
Construction
Shrishti.
on road ahead.
Hey Tanuja. Hi. When's my next movie coming? Well, for that I need to shoot first. So yes, I'm getting back to Mumbai and I'll resume shooting very soon. Hopefully in the month of March. And till then, Feb तक I would say pre-production होता है. Pre-production is where you meet the entire cast, you have readings with them, you go on shoot locations, costume trials होता है, songs के recordings होते हैं. तो ये सब में टाइम लगता है. तो ये पूरा February का जो महीना है वो उसी में जाएगा और फिर मार्च से हम फुल फ्लेजेडली शूट शुरू कर सकते हैं. येस, महाराष्ट्र पुणे. हाय सायली, कशी आहेस तू? मस्त. अरे हां, मी मराठीमध्ये काय बोललो नाही यावेळेस तर हां. हॅपी मकर संक्रांती टू ऑल आउट देअर. तिळगुळ घ्या, गोड गोड बोला. मी परत बोलतोय इन केस पीपल हॅव मिस्ड इट. सो येस, अँड अगेन showing you how pretty this place is. Oh yeah, कितना pretty है ना that stretch. Of course, the trees, the leaves have all dried up. तो सारे पत्ते झड़ चुके हैं. तो I can imagine, in fact, and I'm sure you can imagine summers में क्या कितना pretty लगता होगा. So I'm sure next time I will come during summers. How was my experience staying here for a month? Well, I had a very good time and I needed a lot of clarity in my life regarding what I need to do regarding my future projects, regarding how I need to live आगे जाकर. Of course, Mumbai is a city where you need to hustle a lot and there is a lot of hustling and bustling going on and there is a lot of stressful period that goes through every artist that goes through in Mumbai. So coming over here, I needed a break and what better time I thought that I could witness snow this time. So yes, भाई एक महीना 40 दिन मैंने इतना मैंने बर्फ देख लिया ना, क्या बस हो गया. अब इस साल मतलब I can actually peacefully stay in Mumbai and witness the summers out there. So yes, बहुत मैंने, I'm sure I've experienced. So I'm sure I enjoyed a lot. And yes, apart from that, food, of course, खाने पे हम आते हैं तो it makes me happy automatically. It gets a glow on my face and it brings a smile on my face. So yes, खाने के बारे में जब भी हम बात करते हैं, I'm sure you guys must be watching what I must be posting on my stories. And बहुत लोग ये भी कहते हैं कि मुझे food blogger बन जाना चाहिए because the kind of content or the kind of stories that I post and the kind of food dishes that I actually put it out there. But yes, let me tell you, whatever is been portrayed or displayed on my stories, I make sure I finish that. वो सिर्फ stories के लिए नहीं बनती, I eat that also. I'm sure you guys must have seen me eating it, consuming it and finishing it. So yeah, I love what I eat, and literally you could say that I live to eat. हम तो मतलब खाने के लिए जीते हैं, और हम बस that is what my go-to, my happiness is. So yes, I hope you guys have enjoyed the stories that I've posted so far, whatever food stories that I keep posting. Yes, people keep telling me that I need to become a food blogger, but no, I don't know whether I would get time for that. I want to, but let's see. In future, you never know. Do you like Gujarati food? Yes, I love Gujarati food. यार बहुत बड़ा काठियावाड़ी जो थाली होती है मस्त होती है एकदम. I enjoyed that too. And I'm sure अभी बहुत एक्चुअली सालों हो गए यार मैंने अब तक खाया नहीं है. और गुजराती की बात हमने छेड़ी तो ये हमारे जिगर भाई आ गए हैं. सो यस, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर मेरे भाई. अभी हम गुजरात के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, तो बस कैसा है मेरे भाई? आई होप यू डूइंग गुड, एंड बहुत जल्द मुलाकात करते हैं, मिलते हैं. इट्स बिन क्वाइट सम टाइम. या थैंक यू अभिता, थैंक यू सो मच. You look cute while eating. Thank you, Lavanya. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, take my name, Kashish. Hi, Karthik. What's up? I love your stories. Thank you, Kumari. Thank you so much. Means a lot. Game show. Majama. Loved your Bollywood debut in Gurchadi. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. West Coast next time in USA. West Coast? You mean the California part? Yes. And it's actually very sad to hear about the tragic news about the wildfires going out there, and I hope things are under control right now. And yes, it is very much in control. What about Andhra food? I love Andhra food, and I'm sure whenever I visit Hyderabad, I had lots and lots of Andhra food, and I had Andhra food over here also in Michigan. Yes, so I enjoyed a lot, especially Andhra pepper chicken, or you could say neer dosa. यार मुंह में ऑलरेडी पानी आ चुका है. Let's not talk about food. When will you visit Spain? Spain being my, I would say, favorite country. So this year, for sure, I would say Tomorrowland or Ibiza. Again, one last time. Yeah, before I settle somewhere in life, shadi vidhi, you never know. So yeah, before that, I need to visit Tomorrowland and Ibiza and Europe for that matter. So I would say in summers for that matter, like June, July के time best होता है तभी summers में Europe visit करना. Where is Nandini? यार वो तो आप लोगों को पता होना चाहिए. नीति तो I think wherever she is, I'm sure she's doing good, and it's been quite some time that I haven't catched up with her, but I hope she does very well in whatever projects that she's endeavoring or she's taken up currently. So yes. You never say hi, yaar. Sneha, yeah, there. I took your name. Hi. My favorite song. Oh, that's a good question. Favorite song. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I don't have any favorite song as of now. But yes, if you want to ask me all-time favorite, so I would say Kal Ho Na Ho. और अभी तो फिलहाल बोलना हल्के हल्के is a beautiful song. So yes, I am an old school when it comes to that. Rockstar के गाने बहुत बढ़िया लगते हैं मुझे. Rockstar के amazing songs, बहुत अच्छा vibe लगता है मुझे. Apart from that, I would say सुनिया सुनिया राता. That is my current favorite. I'm sure कि अभी पुराना हो चुका है, उसको 3 महीने हो चुके हैं, 4 महीने हो चुके हैं. But my friend अबू ने मुझे ये गाना सुनाया था, और पहले तो मुझे बहुत annoying लगता था क्योंकि वो गाना बहुत बार वो सुनता था. But after that, when I started listening to it, it was on loop and I could understand the lyrics, and I heard it and I loved the song. Suniya Suniya. Yeah. Favorite genre of films that you want to play? Favorite genre of films, I would say action, because yes, you could say it's trending right now, but nothing to do with trending. But I always wanted to explore myself. Romance तो बहुत कर लिया है और बहुत करूँगा भी आगे भी जाकर. But yes, action is something that I want to explore myself into. Okay, love all these old school songs. Thank you so much. Thank you, official Ria. Thank you, Tanvi. Your favorite co-star? Well, Anjul, it's a tough question. My favorite co-star, I have loved working with Neeti. of course. I've loved working with Khushali. She's a fantastic co-actor to work with, very smooth. I've loved working with Erika also. So I love all my co-actors, especially during music videos. I had a very good time working with them because we meet them for like 2 to 3 days and we bond with them and we enjoy shooting with them. Naira comes to my mind when I shot. It was so comfortable shooting with her. She's a great human being also. So yes. आप इंडिया मुंबई आ जाओ. यस, पीपल हैव बीन वांटिंग मी टू कम बैक टू इंडिया. लेकिन आप ऐसे पूछ रहे हो जैसे आप एयरपोर्ट पे मेरा इंतज़ार कर रहे हो. अगर आप इंतज़ार कर रहे हो तो मुझे बता दो, फिर मैं जल्द से फटाफट आ जाता हूँ, है ना, एयरपोर्ट पे, मुंबई एयरपोर्ट पे. सी यू. यस, बट नहीं, ऑन अ सीरियस नोट, आई विल कम. In fact, this week itself, I will be coming back. And yes, मेरा भी नाम ले लो, लव साहब. Yes, there I took your name. बहुत ही क्वर्की और इनोवेटिव और क्रिएटिव नाम होते हैं आपके इंस्टाग्राम यूजर नेम्स, है ना. मोनिका, there I took your name. Hi. Yes, we are waiting for you at the airport. So sweet. Please come राजस्थान. अरे हाँ, बहुत अरसा हो गया यार राजस्थान. Last I was shooting there for Gurchadi in Jaipur. Thank you. You and Nidhi look together. Thank you. Look cute together. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm your fan. Thank you. मेरा भी नाम ले लो please. Varsha, there I took your name. When are you coming to Pune, Siddhi? I don't know. I mean, अभी तो जनवरी है, तो या तो इस महीने के आखिर में. पुणे यार मेरा हमेशा इम्प्रॉम्प्टू प्लान बनता है. जब भी मेरी माँ मुझे बुलाती है कि मैं आ जाता हूँ, टपक पड़ता हूँ वहाँ पर. कुछ ना कुछ काम आ जाता है वहाँ पर. बीइंग माई होम टाउन, सो आई कीप विजिटिंग पुणे. सो दैट इज़ वेरी लास्ट मोमेंट. ओके, आई लव यू. थैंक यू राजपूत. थैंक यू सो मच. राजपूताना, थैंक यू. हाय सोनाली. हाय. थैंक यू सो मच. हेलो, मेरा नाम. हाय अर्शिता, देयर आई टुक योर नेम. शिवानी नहीं दिख रहा. शिवानी. हाय शिवानी. So next project, again people asking me, I would say अभी मैं फिलहाल I can't reveal it because February में I get into pre-production stage where I meet the entire cast, where I would have readings and where of course we will start shooting in the month of March. So I can say that I can give you an update by the month of February, especially around Valentine's. Yes, I can give you that sort of information around that time. Okay. So for now, this week itself, I'll be heading back to Mumbai, and then I can focus on myself. Yes, I can focus and groom myself again, and I can look after myself. But yes, apart from that, I can start having those pending meetings which have been pending since so long, since a month. So yeah, thank you so much. Ignore Parthophile. There, I took your name. Ignore नहीं किया तुम्हें. Yeah. Hi Jyoti, how are you? Yes. People asking me, am I driving? No, I am seated on the co-passenger seat. I'm not driving. It's a left-hand drive over here. So yeah. Hello, Avika. How are you, cutie? Happy New Year, yaar. It's been a long that we haven't met. और अगर तुम मुंबई में हो तो प्लीज़ मिलो यार. ऐसे अवार्ड शोज पे मत मिला करो एज अ सरप्राइज. बट यस, अदरवाइज ऑल्सो लेट्स कैच अप वेरी सून इफ यूर इन मुंबई. आई एम श्योर यूर इन मुंबई. आई डोंट नो, बट इफ यू आर, लेट्स कैच अप. हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू एंड हैप्पी मकर संक्रांति. हाय. People are asking me who's driving then. Okay. मेरा नाम ले लो. Mrs. Noor. Hi. Okay, there I took your name. Parth, when am I getting married? यार बस करो यार, बहुत करो यार. मतलब it's like a hassle for me to answer these questions. So नहीं यार, अभी तो फिलहाल I don't have. Hi Anushri, there I took your name. Ignore me. Neha, yes. Nafisa, there I took your name. Nafisa, hi Nafisa. Hi Sakshi. Happy Makar Sankranti to lots of love. Yes. Your favorite BTS song? Well, I don't listen to BTS. I don't know. I don't belong to that generation, I guess. So, millennials? Yeah, that is the generation I belong to. Gen Z is the generation that you guys must be asking this question to. It is so pretty. Have a look at this. आई विश मैं इसको स्लो मोशन में करा के इसको ऐसे वीडियो बनाता या ऐसे आपको लोगों को दिखाता जहाँ पर वक्त ठहर जाए और ये मौसम बस आप इसका लुत्फ़ उठाए, आप इसका आनंद लो, आप इसको एंजॉय करो बिकॉज दिस स्नो एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली बाय द वे वी हैड टू गो टू we are on our way to Chicago, but it's taking a lot of travel time because of the snow. So yes, we have to drive slowly considering the weather being very chilled and snowy. और इस स्नोई वेदर में हनुमान जी भी है हमारे साथ. यस, जय श्री राम. यस सांची, हाय 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 हाय. वाओ, है ना, कितना प्रिटी है ना, बिल्कुल मेरी तरह. वेल यस, थैंक यू. प्लीज कम टू दिल्ली सून. यस मन चावला, आई विल कम टू दिल्ली वेरी सून. Hopefully I shall be able to visit very few places. So yeah, this year being full of projects and work, apart from that I want to travel to all these different cities. Of course Delhi, of course Hyderabad, Goa नहीं पता नहीं. Kolkata, Jaipur, Lucknow, Bangalore. It's been quite some time that I haven't been. So yes, these are the cities that I need to travel this year itself. कश्मीर जाना है यार, बहुत समय हो गए कश्मीर. आई एम श्योर कश्मीर, मैंने सुना है कि बिल्कुल इतना ही प्रिटी है जितना यहाँ पर ये जगह दिखाई दे रही है. So yeah, lot of cities to travel, lot of places to cover in India itself, and Pune of course being my hometown that I'll obviously visit once in a while. So yeah, apart from that, please take my name. Vidya, hi there, I took your name, Vidya. So I'm sorry if I am not able to take your name. On that very note, I end this chat, but I promise you that I will be back very soon. And it was good chatting with you guys. It was good showing you around where I have been all this while. Please take a look one final time. है ना pretty? हाँ यार, I really enjoyed being here, and I hope you guys enjoyed talking to me. And I'm sorry if I'm not able to chat with each and everyone out there, and I'm sorry if I was not able to take your name. Take care, Samdan. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please take my name, Shakira 321. There, I took your name. Thank you. Enjoy your detox session. Yes. Well, I would say that I am on the end of my detox session, and I am now raring to go back to Mumbai and of course start working. And of course, on that note also, bringing back, I have to look at my current scenario of my house also, where I would be shifting to my new house. I'm actually very excited for my new house. And on that note, I wish each and every one of you a very, very, very happy new year. And of course, happy Makar Sankranti to all of you. Telugu gya, god bola. Parat boltoy mi. And to all my Maharashtrian people, I wish each and everyone out there very, very, very happy Makar Sankranti to you. And of course, hey Ishita, hi. On that note, yes, ये नाम तो चलते ही रहेंगे. We'll miss you. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And again, one last time, यहाँ तो आगे का कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. हाँ यार, so thank you so much for joining me on this live chat, and I hope I was able to answer a few of your questions. And to all the Indian people, namaste, see you, and please be active on Instagram. Yes, I will definitely be active on Instagram. Sadhana, yes, lovely weather. Thank you. Vidisha, hi Vidisha, hi Shana, thank you for joining on this chat. Thank you so much. Okay, and I shall see you guys very soon on my next chat, of course, on my next Insta live. And I will make a promise that I will be once in a fortnight I will start coming live on Instagram. That's my promise to you guys. So once in a fortnight मतलब क्या होता है? 15 दिन में एक बार. Yes, 15 दिन में एक बार मैं live ज़रूर आऊँगा. So that's my promise to you guys now. Okay? I hope I'm able to. I hope I keep myself on my promise. Yeah. Until next time, see you guys. Ciao and take care. Sayonara one last time to this beautiful drive on my way to Chicago. Take care and see you guys on the other side. Have fun and it's good night over there. So have a good night and enjoy. And I hope that I was able to enjoy. I hope that I was able to answer a few of your questions. Until next time, take care and stay blessed and obviously stay healthy. And I wish 2025 to be a great year to all of you guys, including me, that is. So yes, we're praying, we hope that it spreads a lot of happiness, it spreads a lot of success, and with, of course, the best of the best health to all of you, because health is where wealth is. So of course, जान है तो जहाँ है, वो कहते हैं ना. So yes, on that note, मुलाकात करते हैं दोबारा. तब तक के लिए शब खैर. See you.